Pangaea Natural Stone believes it can change the world.
We consistently create value in our products. We're in the state of Rajasthan, and it's extremely rich in geology.
I'm a Canadian, but I was born in India.
So I know the culture, I know the language, and it was also a place where we could actually make a difference in the lives of the people that are involved with us.
This is a team and a village that really is the reason for our success. Everybody here might not have a lot, but they care about taking care of their family, whether it's their kids or their parents, which is quite admirable.
The people of Pangaea Natural Stone create stone veneers that are the best in the world. Their proprietary grip set technology is a fancy way of saying the backs of the veneers are engineered to accept mortar in a way that allows them to stick easily and more securely. A win for masons and a win for contractors who benefit from reduced labor costs and better results.
Really, the product is designed by our customers because we listen to the marketplace. We do the mining of our materials, granites and quartz and marbles and limestones and sandstones. Once we mine it, then we break it down into manageable parts. We do our grip set technology on the back of the material, and then it goes into packaging. And our key has really been in consistency and predictability, which is unheard of in the natural stone industry.
And all Pangaea stone veneers are shipped to you installation ready.
I designed a perfect system that actually follows a mathematical formula in terms of lengths, in terms of heights, and in terms of coloration for that material to be consistent and predictable. In terms of aesthetics, we've got all the tools available, saving a tremendous amount of time and energy on the job site. Our packaging supervisors are constantly ensuring that the formulation that we've developed is being followed. So the crates are all numbered and they're all traceable. There's no guesswork in our material.
Pangaea's manufacturing facility in India adheres to ethical work practices, a clean and safe working environment, and provides fair living wages. They believe in full transparency in the supply chain. Another important cornerstone of Pangaea's corporate culture is minimizing their environmental impact through revolutionary recycling methods.
I couldn't imagine a business that would be operating without sustainability at the forefront of its operations. We have 3 water recycling plants. We also have a 530 kilowatt state-of-the-art Canadian solar plant, and we have N-phase microinverters, and they are the most efficient panels in the marketplace. And in fact, our roof is our solar panel. The amount of carbon emissions we saved as a result of not having a steel roof is 126,000 kilograms of CO2. The only chemicals used in our process is basically to settle the silt that gets collected in the recycled water to basically allow it to filter clean water. It's a very harmless chemical.
But it's the team members of Pangaea Natural Stone that are the key to this product's worldwide success.
I don't see our people as employees. We have a scholarship program for girls of our team members, and we want to see them thrive. We've helped out with weddings. Some of them have now the means to build houses. We've done micro loans where we've loaned them money to help them out and they've paid us back.
We support 4 primary schools that are around us that not only needed support for young girls, but they needed support for simple basic things. So, we've literally replaced the infrastructure of these schools, given them proper shelters, allow their student enrollment to expand from 80 to 160 children. And these are rural villages, so that's 80 extra children that are being educated that weren't being educated before because the school didn't have any room. It just warms your heart to see these kids succeed because they know that their way out of poverty is through education.
Add to that their unsparing support of the animal shelter Help in Suffering, located in Jaipur, plus their deep commitment to the community that surrounds them, Pangaea Natural Stone has a holistic attitude towards its worldwide business as a leader in the natural stone industry. Real people, real impact, real stone. Pangaea Natural Stone is passionate about the products they produce, passionate about the environment, and passionate about humanitarian efforts. They believe in the strength of their team members, and they work every day to create the best stone veneers in the world. manufacturing their products with a conscience. Excellent products made using excellent practices. In this way, a stone company can change the world.
It's really critical for us to support the community that we benefit from. We don't have extraordinary talent here. We just have people with heart. Ordinary people doing extraordinary things.
Pangaea Natural Stone. Real people, real impact, real stone.